Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So we're gonna try something a bit different today. Basically, we're gonna do one of these unboxing videos. So what I've got here is a box of stuff that I ordered from a liquidation auction. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it, have a look at it, and at the end, I will tell you how much I paid for all this stuff. But yeah, actually, do you know what? I think it's going to be in the title of the video, so I think you already know. But yeah, so there you go. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to open it up, have a look at the stuff, and then yeah, so obviously we're traders here, so we like to buy low, we like to buy things low and sell high. I'll probably sell some of the stuff, because this is what I do. I buy a lot of stuff from this auction. I've actually got another box arriving, arriving whenever it arrives. I would say this week, but I don't think it's going to arrive this week now, with it being Friday. But I have got another box coming, so I might do that as well if people like this video. But yeah, so it's actually from this is a knife. This is what I'm going to open the box up with, in case you're wondering why I'm sat here with a knife. But yeah, so it's from a liquidation auction, and it's clothes from actually from Macys in America. So you guys in the US, you obviously know Macys is struggling a bit. So what I think they're doing, they've been a little bit sneaky. They're shipping over like pallets and pallets of their clothes to sell at liquidation auctions in England, because I guess they don't want to sell them in America, because they want to keep selling keep trying to sell what they can, I guess, through their websites to you guys for more money than what I pay for it in England. So yeah, that's what I suspect they're doing. But yeah, it's all from Macys. You'll see the tags, all US dollars, all from Macys shops. Right, so here we go. Let's get it open. Oh yeah, another thing as well, guys. Apologise for my slacks. I mean, I've worked for like proper, basically, companies in the past, and I had to wear the whole suits, shirts, ties, and trousers. And then since working on my own, I mean, these are just so comfortable, guys. I like wearing trainers. I like wearing comfy clothes. Do you know what I mean? If you're one of those guys that are trying to be like a professional trader on YouTube, dress smart, wear Gucci shoes and whatever. I mean, I guess they're Balenciagas, but yeah, just like trying to show off with like what you're wearing and stuff. I mean, I'm not really about that, guys. You guys know from my videos, all I'm about is the trading. This is literally, I do the trading. I'm not really trying to sell you much. Obviously, I got some indicators that are for sale, but they're indicators that I use for trading. Nothing I'm trying to scam anybody with. But yeah, here we go. Anyway, we're here. Let's open it up. Let's have a look. So let me get it open. Wow, look at this. I hope you guys do like this video, because like I said, I've got another box coming later this week. So here we go. What have we got? What have we got going on in here? So, item number one. Item number one, guys. What have I got? I've got a nice Ralph Lauren suit here. Ralph Lauren Ultraflex. Finished hem. Oh, it's actually a three-piece suit, this one. So it's got, I'll take this off so you can see. Got a nice little waistcoat. And then a pair of trousers. Got a nice fancy little back. Obviously it's Ralph Lauren, nice fancy inside. So it's obviously a good quality jacket. Let's have a look. Let's have a look how much this was. So this is a 38 short jacket, 32 waist. So pretty much this will fit me. Maybe a bit short, but I'll try it on. It'll be all right. But yeah, how much was this meant to be, Macys? I don't know if you can see that. $650 it says. Can you see that? Anyway, you trust me there, yeah. Straight off the shops in Macys. Let me just take the little tag. This is the little auction sticker. Macys, look at that, and I get a nice hanger. These hangers are really good, actually. They've got this like sort of gold clip thing that you actually clips the trousers so they don't fall out, because that's actually really annoying. I find when you like have your suits in the cupboard and then the trousers fall out the bottom. So yeah, item number one. So $650. Should we keep a running total of this? We'll keep a running total. We'll do it on the computer. Yeah. Because I know obviously I know that you guys already know what this all adds up to, because you guys, because I know I can see into the future, and I can see that you've already seen the title of this video when you clicked on it, so now you know what it's going to be. But obviously at the moment I can't see the future myself to see what it actually is. But anyway, Ralph Lauren Ralph Lauren 3-piece suite, $650. 3-piece suite, 3-piece suit. So what is this? This is nice. This is not a suit, this is just a jacket, guys. This is just a jacket. It's a nice sort of linen-y, nice sort of linen jacket. Take the little sticker off. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm trying to shout loud because the microphone's over there. But yeah, another nice Ralph Lauren jacket. Nice jacket. This one is 38 regular, so that's my size. $295. You can see that, $295. Again, Macys. Lovely little jacket there, guys. Lovely little jacket. Pop that down there. So what did I say? 295, wasn't it? Plus 295 equals. Right, what have we got next? What have we got next? This is fancy, isn't it? I'm sorry guys if you think I'm a bit of an idiot with my I'm like a used car salesman of some sorts, aren't I? But yeah, forget it. Here we go. Anyway, so what have we got? We have got another nice. It's all from Macys, guys. It's all from Macys. The hangers all from. It's literally straight off the shelves. Straight off the shelves, tagged up, little things on. So we've got a really nice Tommy Hilfiger jacket. Yeah, nice. Let's have a look how much this is meant to be. This will be my size again. I basically buy my size just because I like to wear things that are my size. Don't know about you guys. 38 long. Again, $295. $295. Nice jacket there. Let's pop this down. Right, let's add it on. Plus 295 equals. Right, running total. What have we got? So what up next? It is. Oh, it's another Tommy Hilfiger jacket. This time it's a grey one, a nice sort of smart one. This one again, look, made for Macys. Tommy Hilfiger jacket. The flex, tailored to move. So if you need to run out of your office for any particular reason, this is tailored to move. This again will be this might be my size. It might be 40. This looks quite big. This does. No, 38 regular, my size again. And again, same price. Tommy Hilfiger, $295. I tell you what, my dog's looking at me like I'm a clown. So, to be honest, you guys watching the video are probably watching me like I'm a clown as well. I will tell you what, guys. I sit here in this room from 8 a.m. in the morning to 11 o'clock at night usually, and I'm on my own. Do you know what I mean? I obviously talk to some people through Telegram. I talk to some people through Discord. I talk to some people through WhatsApp. Other traders, other people that I work with, I talk to that I know. But I mean, I am here on my own. Just me and my dog actually. So see what he gets. Let's see what's coming. Come on, boy. I'll let you just see my dog real quick. Hey, boy. Look at that. A beautiful Doberman. Look at him. He's my boy. He's my boy. But anyway. Come on, we've got a job to do, boy. Let's show them all this stuff. So go on, you can get back over there now. Good boy. All right, you can sit there. That's fine. Right. So another suit jacket. This time a nice Ralph Lauren one. This one's not a suit, just a suit jacket. Yeah, really nice, fancy Ralph Lauren jacket. Ralph Lauren, obviously. 38 short again. This will be all right. $450 for the jacket. $450. You can see that, can't you? Ralph Lauren jacket. Pop that down there. Let's add this on. Plus $450. Right. Let's have a look at this. Wow, guys. This is a nice one. This is a whole nother Ralph Lauren suit. This is. Look, a really nice, classy Ralph Lauren blue suit. Trousers, jacket. I mean, it's just a quality. We all know Ralph Lauren quality. Ultra flex suits. It's the same with the Tommy Hilfiger. The Tommy Hilfiger made to move, aren't they? You guys like to run around your offices in America. Is that how you work? Finished hem. It's basically the same as the other one. Apart from it is not a 3-piece one, so I don't look like I'm playing the old snooker. I know you guys don't have snooker in the US, do you? But in England we do. I'll tell you a funny story about snooker. It's not that. But sorry, I'm talking to the microphone. I'm talking to the camera. I hope you can hear me in the microphone. I'll tell you funny about snooker. So I'm listening to one of my financial podcasts, and the guy's obviously American. They're like, they're talking about how the Fed had been sort of pinned into a corner, and that's basically what is a snooker. In the game snooker, when you stop the person being able to hit their ball because you've hidden behind another ball, that's what is a snooker. So the game's called snooker, and that is part of the game, snooker. But the guy was explaining it. It's like, yeah, because in England they've got this game called snooker. It's called snooker, and you get people into a snooker. And I was just literally laughing. I'm like, how can you know about the game snooker but think it's called snooker? You know what I mean? I mean, if you've watched it, you must have heard them say, oh, he's going for the snooker or whatever. But yeah, he calls it snooker, so I thought that's hilarious. Anyway, how much was this? Only $600 for this one. $600. Another nice Ralph Lauren suit, $600 plus 600 equals. Currently we're on $2,500, guys. That's it's quite a lot of RRP right there. Right, again, it's Michael Kors. Do you know what? I'm not a massive fan of Michael Kors. In my mind, it's just a girls brand. It's just what girls wear. But apparently, it's got some nice men's stuff. Nice Michael Kors jacket. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, there you go. Again, made from Macys. Nice Macys hanger. Let me take the little sticker off. Nice Macys hanger. Michael Kors. Let's see how much this was. 38 regular. So again, my size. $295. $295. I don't even like Michael Kors. Anyway, plus 295 equals. Right, next one. What have we got? What have we got? Oh, this is nice. I did like this one. This is a nice Ralph Lauren jacket, but this is a thick wool one. I don't know if you can see. This is like a really nice thick quality wool one. Yeah, basically it's nice. This is like a winter one. Yeah, very. I like this one. This was one of the particular things I was making sure I actually got. But anyway, 40 long, so I'll fit into that. But yeah, $450 for this jacket. It's obviously a nice one, a nice winter one there. That looked pretty suave with some chinos down at the old country club. Right, so 450. Let's add on 450 plus 450 equals. All the threes, 3,330. Right. Another one. This is basically the same as we had before. It's just another one of it. Another really nice sort of linen Ralph Lauren jacket. Oh, this one's actually got a reduced tag on. It was $295, 65% off, reduced to $100. For the sake of completion, that we put in the original prices on. Obviously, the other ones don't have these tags on, but we'll just put $295 on our calculation. But yeah, so you could have bought this for $100 in the US in the sale, but obviously didn't sell. So yeah, but there you go. Nice Ralph Lauren jacket. This one's actually a 36, so I might have to lose a bit of this muscle before I can fit into that. And I'm not too sure how I feel about losing my muscle, guys. But anyway, $295. We'll whack that on. Plus 295. Right, what have we got now? I'm sure I had more stuff than this, but we'll check. Another jacket suit. This suit is not the nicest suit I've seen before. It's a brand called Nautica. I've not heard of Nautica before. 34 waist, 40 chest. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. It seems like it basically. You know what this looks like? This looks like one of those doormen, one of those security guy suits where they just sort of have those suits that they wear. But whatever this brand is, it's $395 for the suit, for Nautica suit. I'm guessing you guys in America, you might have heard of this because they sell it in America. It's got a crappy hanger on though. It ain't the greatest, and I've actually got two of those. $395. Pop those down there, and there's two. There's another one. This is the same thing. Suit, trousers. $395 again. So we've got two times $395 to add, plus 395 plus 395 equals $4,415 worth of stuff. There we go. The box is empty. There should be, I think there's 11 items. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. That is correct. 11 items. Right, so obviously you guys know in the video how much I paid for it. Let me see if I can just get the invoice up. Let me just get you a picture of the invoice. And let me tell you what I paid for these. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. I paid. Right, let me tell you now. In total, for all these items, they cost me, right, £124.42. There was an £11 postage charge, so £135.42. So I'll just work that out in dollars so we can see what that is. $135 into pounds. Sorry, pounds into dollars. That's the one. Pounds into dollars. So $164, guys. So I paid $164 for $4,500, basically $4,400 worth of RRP clothes. And I'll just run through the individual costs for you if you want. The suits, there's actually auction fees and VAT to pay on top of this, so it works out about another 20% on top of this price. This is the hammer price. So the two suits, these two suits, the two Nautica suits, they cost me £6. £6 each. They did. So this Ralph Lauren jacket cost me £8. This really nice Ralph Lauren jacket that I was looking for, that I was making sure I get, cost me £8. This Tommy Hilfiger jacket, £6. This Ralph Lauren suit, this really nice blue Ralph Lauren suit, cost me £13, guys. £13. And then another nice Ralph Lauren jacket. This cost me £4. £4, guys. This grey Tommy Hilfiger jacket, suit jacket, £6. £6, guys. This other Tommy Hilfiger jacket, this one cost me £8. This other Ralph Lauren jacket, this cost me £6. The other one cost me £8. This cost me £6. And then finally, the Ralph Lauren three-piece suit. 3-piece suit. Where is it? Where is it? It is. Oh, here we go. In at £14 for a 3-piece suit. £14, guys. That's just amazing. So yeah, so there we go. We had an unboxing video. I'm actually going to do another one, providing you guys like that. So yeah, crazy what you can get, guys. But remember, we're traders. We buy high, we sell low. That's how it is, isn't it? But anyway, so thanks for listening, guys. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. And yeah, remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Although my advice is always to buy low, sell high, or sell high and buy back low, whichever way you do it. It's hard to go short like clothes in real life and then buy them back cheaper. But anyway, thanks for listening, guys. And yeah, I will speak to you guys soon.